Week of January, the second week of a new trading week. I'm feeling very happy. I'm feeling very positive and excited. Before we get into it, I just would like to remind you guys to press the subscribe button, the notification button, and the like button so we can get to a wider audience. And so that our videos can get more views and be up there when people search, man. Because the company FXmosako is a great community that I want to grow, and I want it to be one of the biggest communities here in Africa and go further to it being in the world. So thank you for locking in and watching this video, and let's get into it. So guys, if you have watched my previous analysis and recaps, you will realize that my pairs that I've traded were actually more than what you see here. But because I've been making a trading plan for myself, I've decided that I'm going to choose this major pairs because they have the lowest spreads. And it is better to trade spreads that are lower than high spreads. And also because of the accounts that I'm starting with, So ladies and gentlemen, these are the pairs going forward that I'll be doing. And also, from time to time, I'll be coming to do US30 and gold as well. But now we're just going to focus on this major pairs, guys. Which for me, I'm trying to really get to a point where maybe I'll have 3 pairs. But for now, I just want to test all these pairs and see which ones I'm going to be lucrative on or profitable. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. As you can see, I've already marked the previous week's high and the previous week's low. And also here there is a structure, there is a strong support right here. And as you can see, it is still in the channel and an uptrend cycle. So now we're gonna go to the daily to get the proper structure. But as you can see, we're getting another bearish candlestick. So that means now the bears are in the market, the sellers. But I feel like it won't be for too long. Also, depending, as guys, don't forget geopolitics also has a edge in our technical analysis, as Joe Biden is going to be the new president of America. So that might have an effect on this currency pair. And if it does, if when he gets elected, it could be good for the dollar and it could strengthen the dollar. So we could see it coming to this level, if not even lower, to a point where it's going to be touching this support. So now let's go to the daily. Guys, like I said, I have a trading plan that I'm building up, and my trading plan needs me. I want to be able to enter near the open of the new candlestick and the closing of the previous one. So basically, I would like to enter. You see here, guys, this would have been the perfect entry for me to get in right here. This is where I would like to enter most of my trades. And now, as you can see, guys, we have a channel within a channel, and now it has broken through. The sellers are in control. As you can see, it has broken through the structure, and as you can see here, guys, it almost touched the resistance, but it didn't. Okay, so we still need another 4th touch. Actually, yeah, the 4th touch. We need a 4th touch. But as you can see also here, guys, is 1, 2, 3 touches, so it's equal 3 to 3 touches. So now we should be expecting anything, guys. It could come here, break through, or go up here and break through. But as you can see, we went to the current market structure and it's in a channel and it just broke through. So now let us see, it just broke through the previous week's low. And also, as you can see, there's a level here, guys, a strong level, which also, guys, I've learned that the market makers, guys, they go out, and then the bankers, they aim for whole numbers. You'll never get them aiming for a 3, 4, 5, 40. It's always whole numbers. 3, 4, 34000 or 300000 or 345000. It's always a whole number all the time. So in knowing that, I placed it here, and you can see here there's a strong level here that it has respected a couple of times, twice actually, to be specific. So now let's go to the lower time frame, whereby we can see the proper structure. As you can see here, there is a strong support within the channel that has been respected twice, actually 3 times. And after the third time, guys, with trend lines, after the third touch, you should always expect something different to happen. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3 here, it broke through the support. This is where it broke through as well, to the top. Now it's breaking to the bottom, and now this structure is acting as a support. And me looking at it here, guys, the two ways I see something happening. What I see is, as you can see, it broke through this low. I'm predicting that it could come and hit this support structure here, which is going to be the lower low. As you can see, this was the lower low, guys, of this structure here, this channel here. So now I'm expecting a retest either on this support or this resistance, with this support and resistance, that is gonna come, retest, and go further down. So now I want to go to the 1 hour just so we can see the market properly. And as you can see, guys, I already put in a pen here, or you can call it a pencil, a brush, I meant to say. You see, it went here, going up, then back down. But as you can see, guys, here there is a reversal candlestick. So I'm legit going to wait for the retest, and once I see the candlestick that I need to see, I'm going to take it to the downside, to the structure here of 34500. Now let me go to the 15 minutes just to check about this retest. As you can see, this you could say is a retest as well, but my problem is it's not retesting at a level that I thought it would. I would have liked it to retest here or right here by this channel's support structure, and now it's in the middle of nowhere, so I wouldn't actually trade it at this point in time, because my trading plan, I was waiting for it to come touch here, you know, here or here, and it was going to give me a reversal candlestick, which would have been a confluence for me to agree that, okay, I have 3 reasons. It has retested, and the structure, I'm seeing a reversal candlestick on the trend line, which is for me 3 confirmations, and I would have taken the trade until the bottom here. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the structure to come hit this support trend line here, and once it is hit that trend line, I'll be looking to either take it to the downside to this level here. As you can see, this level here in the past that also has the price action has been here a couple of times. Let's just zoom in. You see, guys, it was able to break through here. If you put it here, then it also acted here. Let me even make it properly for you guys. Or let me use this rectangle. You know, see, guys, broke through here, came here, retested again, went up. Or if not there, you can come hit the structure here, which if it does get here, like I said, Joe Biden is going to become the president, guys, and it could be a strong momentum, a strong dollar. So it could come and hit this level here of 33 2999, around this area here. So I'm going to be patient. I won't rush until it comes here. Then when it gets here, guys, that's when we can start preparing for either a sell to the downside or start buying. But because of the strong dollar, guys, I would say this could be a sell, a possible strong sell. So now let's go to Euro GBP. We'll go to the weekly top down analysis as always. As you can see, it's still ranging. We're going to the current market, and at the current market we have a morning star or a shooting star, but I know this as a reversal candlestick. We also had one right here, and I put the high here of the last week's candle and the low of the last week's candle, so that I know what parameters we're trading within. So now when I go to the daily, and also as you can see, guys, it's in a what would you call this? I wouldn't have a specific it has a specific name, guys. It's just that I haven't memorized it properly, but you will say this is a descending triangle, a descending triangle, or a pennant, it has touched the second touch here, then one touch, second touch, third touch. But the market has just been choppy, guys, as you can see, choppy. But the buyers were able to be in control, but now it went back. Or this could be a correction, because here we have a reversal candlestick, a doji, and after the doji, the sellers were in control. So there are possibilities that it could come below and come test this support here. And as you can see, guys, also I've put it in a range, as I feel like this was a fake breakout out of this range here, because it respected this area a lot, respected it here, and here as well. And it broke through, but it came back in. So this could have been this could be a false breakout, and it could be going to the upside, and this could just be a correction. But let's go to the 4-hour so that we can see the market perfectly. Now we can see the market nicely. You see, guys, this is a strong support level right here, a very, very strong support level. Lower low, lower high, lower low, then now it has made a higher high, then it's going down. Then as you go here as well, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it could be coming for a sell. But this market structure is very dodgy for me, honestly. Like, I'm only, the reason why I'm so confident is because I'm looking at this area here of a range. You see, guys, because I can also do this and horizontal line and come here and put another one down here. As you can see, it's been going up, just breaking out a bit, coming back, breaking out, then it comes back, respects this area, gets here, breaks out again, comes back, falls breakout, goes back, touches here, comes back. Support and resistance been in this area. So now that we have that established, we could wait for it to come touch here, or wait for it to come touch here at the top for us to be able to take a trade. Because at this point, it's in the middle of nowhere, and you don't want to trade in the middle of nowhere. But then let us go to a smaller time frame and see what we can see. Went up, it's going down, and it went up again. And as you can see here, there's a small almost a double bottom, almost a double bottom. We said double bottom. Let me see something here. Yeah, sorry for keeping quiet on you guys. As you can see, it's in a channel structure, a minor one, as we are in a smaller time frame, and this would be its first touch. It didn't touch here, and now you can see it's in a sort of a range. It's in a sort of it's in a range, sort of a range, which it has been doing the same thing. But for now, I wouldn't trade this currency pair. Actually, I wouldn't trade it. I actually would like to even not trade this pair, because the euro and GBP, they move in the same market, guys. They move in the same market, which is the London session. So that's why it's been so choppy. So I feel like we should take it out, EURGBP. So let's just go to EURUSD. As the EURGBP has too many chops, guys, as you saw, too many chops, and you lose money trading that unless you're a scalper, and you're able to be there on the 1 minute, the 15-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute. But I'm not there. I'm not aiming to be a scalper. My aim is to be a day trader and a swing trader. Now we at the EURUSD. As you can see, I did the highs of the last week and the lows of last week, and this is a reversal candlestick. And as you can see, the sellers starting they're starting strong. The sellers, they are the ones in control right now, and you can see there's a break of the structure here. So the aim is to come here, guys, to come hit this level here of 1.26000, to come hit here. That's the aim, and I'm still confident that it could go and hit there. But because now that the USA, like I say, geopolitics, Joe Biden might be coming into the presidency, so that could mean a stronger US dollar. Yeah, as you can see, these are the three. We call this the I'll tell you guys now, the 3 black crows, which is the opposite of the 3 white soldiers. And I'm sure if we had to go, this would be where you would have swinged right here. And I feel like it's coming to hit this support area here. After it probably will retest. After retesting this resistance, it'll come down here, and this is where here we will try taking it to the upside for it to hit that level to hit this level here at the top. So now let's just go to the 4th hour to see proper market structure and see if this candlestick also represents a retest. As you can see, guys, this was also in a channel. I don't know why this thing has been doing this lately. It's in a channel, and oh, come on, man, come on. Sorry about that, guys. I've really been having a problem with the network recently. And as you can see, it just broke through, and I would wait for a retest to take it to the downside. but because of the larger time frame, you'll only be able to see, because of this strong candlestick, we'll only be able to see if yes, certainly a dead retest, and it's about to come to this support structure here of 1,28, which has been strong. It has been strong, guys, and respected. So let's go to the 1 hour. As we get to the 1 hour, it's not, yeah, here we have a reversal candlestick, but then, you know, for me it's not on the what do you call this, the line here. So I'd be very skeptical of taking it. But because I see this candle right here, this candle here, I would put my trade here, and oh man, why am I saying long? I'm shorting this. Short, I'll put it here, then put my stop loss right here, and then ride it until it gives me a 3 to 1. Sorry, I'm just trying to get it perfectly. But anyway, yeah, take it to the downside and go with it, guys. And I feel like because of Joe Biden, this could probably be what's going to happen until it reaches this level here, right here, where you could say it's 1,260. You know, because whole numbers, guys, are important, and that's what the bankers and the big institutes always aim for. So this is where I would take my trade with my stop loss here, you know, and make it run till here. If anything doesn't happen for it to be a false breakout and go back within the channel structure and go to the upside. But because of Joe Biden, you know, the presidency changing, I really see a strong dollar this coming few weeks. So I feel like the euro, it'll be people will be selling the USD. Now we go to USDCHF, and in USDCHF you could see the opposite happening. You know, the USD getting strength and going to the upside. As you can see, I took the highs, the highs of the previous week, of the previous week. What's happening here, man? Of the previous week, yeah, the previous week. Let me actually break it properly. I took that on here. It is, yes, there it is. That's the highs and the lows of the previous week, and as you can see, it's in a range. Initially I thought it was going to come and hit this structure here, right here. As you can see, it was in some sort of a range. It was in a range, and I was expecting it to come touch here, this level here, before going to the upside. But as you can see, we were able to see this candlestick right here, which you would compare it to a morning star or a shooting star. But the problem is that you see the wicks here, there's so much space. A perfect shooting morning star would have been you know, this body would have been here at the top, and the wick would have been, you know, longer. But as you can see, guys, the buyers are in control. They reversed the candlestick. the buyers are in control, and I want to be able to enter right here as it breaks through this minor range. Now let's go to the lower time frame just to see the market structure properly. As you can see, guys, if last week I was in the markets and watching, I would have taken this trade here, but I would have entered here, right here, or actually right here. I would have entered right here and went up with it, you know, until it probably came here, because I'm not trying to be too greedy. Let's even see how much risk to reward I would have gotten if I had entered here. And said I was gonna get out of here, but my stop loss was going to be here. So I suppose, you see, as you can see, guys, it wasn't gonna be too favorable for me to get in. You know, it wasn't gonna be too favorable for me. But if we go to the lower time frame, we could probably see, you know, find the perfect market structure. Yeah, you see, I probably would have entered right here, put my stop loss below this wick so that I won't be taken out, and 3 to 1 is my risk to reward ratio, and I don't want to play around with it, guys. And as you can see, it went into within this structure here, which it would have hit my take profit, and I would have been a happy chap. But you know, it is okay. The US dollar looks like it could be going strong because of the presidency. And I was looking at two scenarios, guys. Always, guys, don't ever feel too confident that it might go your way. You know, always leave room for two options, because two things could happen at any given time, because it's a 50-50 probability. So I would wait for it to come here, because this is a strong level, which I know if it breaks through, it could retest like I did with the brush here and go up. And as you can see, I tried doing it 3 to 1, but it's very stubborn. It doesn't want to give me it. Yeah, there it is. Oh man. But yeah, there it is. And look where it ends, guys, at the what structure, and the level as well, which this is good, guys. You know, when your take profit is near a structure where it was respected, or an area where you can see that there was a respect, the market respected that area and changed direction. You know, your TP going there it's very perfect, and that's where most of the time it's guaranteed that your take profit will be hit. So what I'm expecting is, if it comes here and is here and respects this and goes back down, I'm going to look for a reversal candlestick, and I'm going to enter on the second candlestick after the reversal candlestick. If it goes to the upside, I'm going to wait for a retest, and after the retest, I'm going to look for a reversal candlestick, and that's where I'll be taking it to the upside. Guys, see, if you had taken it, it would have been a wonderful trade either way. So yeah, guys, we're going to wait for it to come to this resistant area here, and wait to see what the market is trying to do, and we will react, because we are prepared to sell, or we are prepared to buy. But because of the presidency, it looks like a strong US dollar is on the way. So now let's go to USDJPY. And please, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to press the like button and the notification button, so we can get to a wider audience, and this can reach other people, and so we can get more views, guys, as this is my way of really in a way me getting paid, guys. You know, I don't want to sell any courses anytime soon. I'm just here to show you guys that it is possible to succeed in the forex market, and that this is a legitimate thing if you do the right preparations and you commit yourself, and the 2Ds I always say: discipline and dedication plus passion equals success. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. This is UJ, and as you can see, UJ, I put the high of last week and the low of last week's candle, and as you can see, it broke through. I was expecting it to come hit here, but it never. But it turned here, which I'm still not complaining about, because it's a strong area here. As you can see, it's a strong area whereby it respected this area since November last year. Now let's go to the daily. On the daily, oh wow, look at this, look at this. Look, this is a perfect structure. Perfect. So as you can see, there's positive structure here. What I'm going to wait for now, guys, honestly, for me, I want it to come hit here. Then after it hits this resistance of the channel, that's when I would love to start taking a trade. And I'll show you guys why I put this here. These are also the levels, guys. The level 104.50, and also let me just make sure for you. As you can see, 104.800 and 104.400. Whole numbers, guys. This is where they aim the market makers aim to go. And yeah, we can see it's on an uptrend. It broke the lower high, creating a new higher high. Now let's go to the lower time frame just to be clear of the market. As you can see, we passed this area here. This is a strong resistant area here, so I'm gunning that it's going to come here, guys. And maybe when it gets to here, this is where it probably will come back for a retest and then go up, because this is a minor channel within the big channel, guys. So I would want us to honestly wait until it hit this area here. But also, as you can see, there's an area here that it came to, and as you can see, it hit this area. Now we're seeing what do you call this, a bullish candlestick, I mean a bearish candlestick. So what also could happen is that it could break through here, come back and retest, and after retesting, you can see just a little bit, retest, go up for a couple of pips. And let's see how much pips we would get from this. Just forgive me, guys, I'm still not good at like calculating pips like that. I'll take it to the upside. Wow. Okay, I always try to get it 3 to 1. 3 to 1. This would probably be my take one profit, and I'll let it run until it touches here. So this would be for me a perfect trade to enter. But like always, guys, expect the market to go two different ways. So don't always expect it to go one way. Let's go to the hourly. As you get, it just broke out of this area here. It just broke out. So yeah, retest. After the retest, we're taking it to the top, or if it bounces here and goes back to the bottom, we're gonna be selling, guys. We're just waiting for a reversal candlestick as confirmation, and also we're confirming that it broke through this resistance and it's going to retest again, making it a support. Then it goes up, which is a perfect swing, and we can take it to the upside. Then we come to AUDUSD. This one, it'll be selling, because strong USD, strong USD. Yeah guys, as you can see, this is also a doji, but it's just that this is, it's a huge body. Typically they're smaller than the dojis, you know. But also this, you can say that the sellers and the buyers were fighting but ended up in a stalemate because they're equal. You can see that these wicks are equal. I put last week's highs and the lows as well. So now I'm going to the low, and the market structure, as you can see guys, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. So I'm expecting this market structure to come here or hit this and going back down or breaking through. But now you obviously all the time we go to the current market structure, because the current market structure tells you the current news and the current economy. As you can see, reversal sign. We could see, you know, USD having a strong week, guys, or a strong month, or a strong first quarter. So I showed two possibilities, but we'll have to go to the lower time frame. But as you can see here guys, there's a strong support here, you know, where here it broke through. It was the resistance, then broke through, retested, then went back up. Now it seems like the market is done with its buying phase, and now it's getting into its selling phase. So now let's go into the 4th hour to make sure that we see the structure more perfectly. As you can see, it broke through this support here, which is now turned to resistance, and apologies about that, it's coming again here. Oh guys, apologies, you know, everything is just not going well. Which is so annoying, but you know, I still gotta give you the content, guys. I still gotta give you, you know, information, guys. Yeah, as you can see, it broke through here, then there's another support structure here, and because this is a minor support structure, and this one is a one of the strong ones as well, coming also from the daily as well, as you can see, you know, this is strong. So there are two possibilities that I'm looking at here. It's either it's going to break through here, come here, retest, it's going to come here, hit here, and respect this support and go back up, or it's going to break through this support, which is going to turn into a resistance, retest it, and go back to the downside to this 0.74 area here, which I'm also very confident, guys. Like I said, a strong dollar, which it will come here, and I'll be waiting here to take my trades to the downside. If I had to take it to the upside, you know, this is where I would have entered. Obviously you wait for your reversal candlestick, then you enter, you go there, and if I'm going to be shorting it, I'm gonna wait here, then have a, you know, a slight, the wick, obviously gotta put it above all the wicks so that it doesn't take you out before doing the initial move. Then we're moving, guys, we're moving down. My 3 to 1, look where it is, here, right here by the swing, near the swing, you know. But because we're expecting a strong dollar, this would be my first take profit. This would be my first, let me even write it down. TP1, TP1, then we come here, and then here, which will be TP2. Take over 2. Then here would be take profit 3. And when it gets here, guys, we would have milked it. You would have been in profits. We've been happy lads, happy lads, ladies and gentlemen. So guys, this would be perfect, you know, and this is what I'm going to wait for. I will not lie to you, because it's a strong dollar. Like I'm saying, strong dollar, strong dollar, strong dollar. Look at me going back to that. Strong dollar. And if this is like this, guys, on the higher time frame, as you go to the lower time frame, yo guys, you know, that's when you start finding sniper entries. Look at the structures, guys, proper structures. We caught the levels. I feel like these are the strong levels, and you know, it's whole numbers, guys, whole numbers all the time. As you can see here as well on the sides, you don't see a 75654 or, you know, 763 whatever. It's always whole numbers, you know. And yeah, guys, we just need to wait patiently for the market to get where we want it to get. Then when it gets to where we want it to get, we are going to react. But for now, I'm going to relax Monday, because also I don't have data, or, you know, to be watching the market. So Tuesday, Monday, I'm just going to watch. Today, I'm just going to watch. Then on Tuesday, this is when now I'm going to start looking for entry trades to enter the market and go with the trend, guys. To go with the trend, or to go with what the market is telling me it's going to do. So we've come to another end of a video, and I hope that you guys were able to learn a couple of things from what I've said. That also you can hear that I'm following a trading plan. I'm going to trade this major pairs, which I'm going to learn intensively, so that I can know when it's busy, when it's not busy, because I'm also trying to trade the London session, guys. That's when in the morning my senses are high. That's when I'm alive, guys. Out of the whole day, in the morning, I'm a morning individual, so that's when I'm alive. That's when my blood is pumping, and that's when I can think clearly, you know. And after the London session, I'm going to enter my trades between the Asian session, it overlapping into the London session. And after entering my trades within that period, I'm just going to, during the London session, manage, check, you know, the other entries where I can get in again, because I might take just 2 trades. As my risk management tells me to get in, to enter 2 trades as my maximum that I can trade at a time, 2 trades. Then as the day goes, and obviously during the 12 p.m. the market is going to just, you know, slow down a bit, as people are going to be probably getting out of the entries for lunch. Then by the time the US session comes in, you know, we'll be waiting to see what the market is going to do. Either we're going to take, you know, our profits, or get out of the market, or manage our profits, lock some, and carry on with the, you know, with the trade, whichever direction it's going. So guys, thank you for reaching the end of the video. I really do appreciate you taking your time and trusting me and watching me, showing you guys my analysis and how I analyze. It really gives me confidence, you know. It really makes me happy that there's someone out there probably learning something from what I am doing. So please do not forget that subscribe button, guys, to press the subscribe button, the notification button, and that like button. And also share, guys, share these videos with your peers or whoever is in the forex journey with you and they're in the beginning, guys. I feel like this information I'm giving you guys, it's very lucrative, and it's going to even get better as I'm learning, guys, and as I'm implementing. I'm also coming here and showing you guys. So eventually one day, you can legit start from my first video of my analysis and see my growth and see my strategies, guys, because you're also getting strategies as well, free of charge. The only thing I ask from you guys is to press the like button, to subscribe, so that eventually you can get monetized, and I can make a second income of YouTube, and giving out free content, because my aim is to make sure and make you all believe and see that this foreign exchange market is real, guys, and can be a stepping stone to it providing you with extra income to be able to invest your money in something, or being able to start a company, and not necessarily you having to leave your job. So thank you guys for watching the video. I'll check you guys out on the other videos that I'll be posting during the week. Have a successful trading week, guys. Check you guys this weekend when we're doing the recap video. Peace.